Students, today we'll start the chapter 14, statistics. Okay, that is the very important branch of mathematics, and that are giving the many datas. Huh? Here the some words are there that are very much use will be in this chapter. That is the collection, presentation, inclusive series, exclusive series, cumulative frequency, polygon, ogive, median, grouped data, graphical representation, step deviation method. These are the words very common for this chapter. Okay. Now first introduction. Statistics is defined as the science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Okay. Statistics is defined as the science of collection, organization, presentation, analysis and the interpretation of numerical data. Raw data is a collection of actual information. Raw data is a collection of actual information. Just like suppose suppose any survey is going on to find out the population. So for that the people are coming to ask you, door to door they are going. So whatever the data they are collecting, that is the actual data, that is called the raw data. Okay, and then after all the datas are combined, and that then make the city wise data or the village wide data or the country wise data. So that is after this. Raw data is what? That is the actual data which the people are collecting and asking you. So raw data is a collection of actual information that is used to make logical inferences. The raw data is so large that it will not be easily understood. The raw data is so large. Up suppose here the 1 lakhs house are there, and that is kept and it is given to you. So that will come in the 1000 pages, 1 lakh pages it will come. So you will not understand. Okay, but all the data if we collect in proper way, then we can understand that. Just like in this time the newspaper also you are checking the many data is coming. In the very small place that are representing COVID-19 data, you can see on the front, it is written on the front page. Very small space is taken, and we can understand from here what is the position in the different countries, different states. So that it will not be easily understood. First of all, data is condensed and presented in the form of frequency table. We generally observe a tendency in the data of cluster around a certain value, that the single value presents the whole set of the raw data. Means this data clarify anything. Yes, the COVID-19 in which area it is increasing. So that way many examples are there. Now you'll see students, the series, you'll see that in that stat you'll see the two type of series are there: inclusive or discrete series, and the exclusive or continuous series. So what is the inclusive series? Inclusive series. Inclusive series, in that what is there? Suppose the series is given like this: 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. Here see that nothing is common. 10 numbers are there, but nothing is common. 11 to 20, then 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So this is called the inclusive series or discrete series. Now next is their exclusive series. Exclusive series, in that another name of exclusive series is what? That is the continuous series. So we are seeing that data is like the 1 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, or here they write down the 0 to 10. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. Here you will see the whatever the upper limit is there, that is the lower limit of the next column. Okay. Next column, what will be the this is the upper limit, this is lower limit, upper limit, lower limit. In that way, the continuation is there, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. So this is called the exclusive series. So this is the difference between inclusive series and the exclusive series. Now the class mark. Class mark is what there? Class mark is the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Huh? Lower class limit plus upper class limit by 2. Okay, this is the class mark. Just like if the 0 10, then 0 plus 10 divided by 2, 5 will be there, 10 plus 20 upon 2 will what? That will be 15. So class mark in the every time it is what? It is being different. Okay, in if everyone it is asked that. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that is the class mark. Now these are the informations. Now next is there the statics. In that we are studying about the 3 types of the central tendency is there. That is the arithmetic mean, median and mode. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean? Mean with the word it is very clear कि that is the what? That is the average. Mean means the average. Now arithmetic mean, that is the defined in the what? 3 ways. That can be solved by the 3 ways. Arithmetic mean. First is the direct method. And second is the what? That is the shortcut method. Shortcut method. And that is the assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Another name of that. And last one is there, that is the step deviation method. That is the step deviation method. So arithmetic mean we can find by the 3 methods. Arithmetic mean we can find by the direct method, by shortcut method, or step deviation method. Okay. So now the formulas for that. This is the, we are representing the x, and on that bar sign is there. Then that will be what? Sigma fx upon sigma f. When the numbers are very small, that time we are using the direct method. And here x equal to a plus sigma fd. That in the question when we will solve, then it will be clear what is the this one. A plus sigma fd upon sigma f. A is the separated. A plus sigma fd upon sigma f. Okay. There where A is the what? That is the assumed mean. That is the assumed mean. F is the frequency. D is the what? D is equal to x minus A. D value is what? That is x minus A. And F means, to you know the frequency, sigma F means what? A sum. This meaning what? Sum of that. Sigma means sum. And D means I have told x minus A, and A means assumed mean. Now step deviation method, in that formula will be there. X equal to A plus sigma fu upon sigma fu upon sigma f into h. H, what is there? H is the width of the class. H is the width of class. And A already I have told, A is what? Assumed mean. Assumed mean. and there the u will be what, x minus a upon h. U will be what, x minus a upon h. Okay, x is the what, class mark. X is the class mark here. That is the, here this x, there the bar sign, that we are getting arithmetic. X is the what, class mark. So there are the three methods, students, to get the arithmetic mean: direct method, shortcut method, and distribution method. Direct method formula is there: x equal to sigma f x upon sigma f. F is the frequency, x is the what, that is the number. I have told already, class mark is there. And the shortcut method, a equal to sigma f d upon sigma f, d equal to x minus a equal to h m, and x sigma f into h. H is the width of the class, as we told. Just 0 to 10. Just like the 0 to 10, the width will be 10. 0 to 5, then width will be 5. And u equal to x minus a upon h. X is the class mark. Okay. So these are the three methods by that arithmetic mean we can get it. Okay, students. Thank you.